This video explains the procedure for writing the AFE adjustment program to the evaluation board and connecting the PC and the evaluation board. Open the Smart Browser and check your region setting. If you have not set the region in the Smart Browser, you will not be able to download the AFE adjustment project. Download the AFE adjustment project. Select the communication method to connect the PC and the evaluation board. Select the AFE adjustment project for the selected communication method and import this project to eSquare Studio. First, connect the PC and the evaluation board via USB. Next, write the AFE adjustment program to the evaluation board. Specify the operation voltage for the evaluation board. Select the bitrate and COM port for connecting the PC and the evaluation board and click the Connect button. If you are using the emulator connection, the COM port does not need to be selected.